All right, let's just get right into it. If you've spent even 5 minutes in the digital marketing space, you already know the brutal, exhausting reality of the traditional content grind. I mean, just imagine spending 4 solid hours painstakingly researching and writing a script for a simple desk microphone review. Then you've got to set up your lighting, film take after take, and stay up editing late into the night. And then you finally publish it and get absolutely 0 views. It is literally soul-crushing. Look, affiliate marketing sounds so easy on paper, right? Promote products, share links, earn a commission. But the reality? Most people fail because they simply cannot create enough content consistently enough to actually generate reliable traffic. It's a really slow, agonizing workflow, and honestly, it's just a fast track to burnout.
So that brings us to the ultimate question for our explainer today. What if an AI could run your entire affiliate channel, like the whole shebang? What if you could generate leads and drive actual sales without ever needing to step in front of a camera, or without having to hire some wildly expensive video editor, or spending your entire weekend writing out product reviews? Well, we are entering a phase right now where ordinary people are racing to adopt a massive AI shift before the market completely saturates. It is fundamentally transforming how digital business operates.
Think about the traditional marketing ecosystem for a second. You're facing endless research, meticulous script writing, filming, video editing, thumbnail design, SEO, not to mention just the grueling daily consistency of it all. It's an expensive, high-friction process. Now compare that to AI automation. This totally replaces those hurdles with automated product discovery, faceless video rendering, and daily scheduling. So instead of building content piece by agonizing piece, new AI systems are automating the entire workflow. It's completely revolutionizing production costs and dramatically cutting down the time you actually have to invest.
Which brings us directly to the specific source material we're examining today. We are looking at Super Affiliate AI, which is a platform specifically designed to build faceless affiliate review channels completely on autopilot. Now, to be clear, this is not just some generic video creator. It's a highly focused business process automation tool. It zeroes in specifically on affiliate marketing workflows, helping you generate buyer intent content at a sheer volume that was literally impossible for a single creator to do without a massive team behind them. Okay, let's crack open the hood and look at our first section, the automation engine.
To see exactly how this software handles all the heavy lifting, we really need to look at how its core auto mode pipeline operates. It basically breaks down into 4 distinct steps. First up, niche selection. You just tell the system your target industry. Maybe that's keto diet supplements or, online dog training courses. Step 2 is AI product discovery. Here, the software actively scans affiliate networks, places like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, to pull product details and automatically pinpoint trending, high-converting offers. Step 3 is two-voice scripting, which actually generates the review. And finally, step 4 is auto-publishing, where it renders the final video and pushes it directly out to your social feeds. Guys, this is an entire campaign built from scratch without you having to manually edit a single frame. The defining feature of this entire workflow is that auto mode. The whole concept is set once, runs forever. You just go in and configure your target country, the language you want your videos in, and exactly how many videos you want to publish every single day. And it's smart too. The AI calculates the optimal posting times for maximum engagement. And honestly, the best part? The AI doesn't need to sleep. It definitely doesn't need to chug 5 cups of coffee to figure out when to post. It just automatically swaps your specific affiliate tracking link right into the content. You literally turn it on, set your parameters, and just let it run in the background.
But you might be wondering, how does it actually know what to say? Well, this is fascinating. Before it writes a single word, the AI builds what's called a product intelligence profile. It actively scans the vendor's actual sales page to pull pricing, expected commissions, target audience demographics, the core benefits of the product, and crucially, customer concerns. So this means it's not just blindly guessing or spitting out some generic robotic sales pitch. It's building intelligent, highly targeted buyer intent content based on the actual merits and features of the product you're promoting. And to execute that script, the platform uses a really unique two-voice system. Because let's be real, standard AI-generated content can sound incredibly monotonous, right? We've all heard it. To solve this, the platform simulates a dynamic conversation. You can set up the script to run as a dialogue between, say, a curious host and a much more skeptical analyst. By doing this, the review videos sound significantly more natural and believable. That is absolutely critical for maximizing viewer retention and building real trust with an audience who might actually want to buy the product.
You can even use the built-in AI voices, connect an external account like 11 Labs, or, get this, clone your own voice to act as one of the hosts. How cool is that?
Moving right along, let's look at Section 2, Scaling Traffic and Leads.
Generating videos is great, obviously. But to see how this automated output translates into measurable business growth, you need traffic coming in from multiple angles. To capture that, the Traffic Builder module gives you 4 distinct tools. First, you've got the Review Hub. This automatically generates indexable, SEO-optimized text blogs so you can capture high-intent buyers who are actively searching on Google. Second are social cards, which turn your product data into eye-catching graphic images that are absolutely perfect for feeds like LinkedIn or X. Third, short hooks. These are highly psychological, curiosity-inducing video intros designed to boost viral watch time. And fourth is the Repurpose tool, which lets you take a single video script and instantly turn it into a written tweet storm or a comparison table. It is quite literally an omni-channel distribution strategy built right into the platform. And omni-channel distribution is exactly what you need to capture leads today. The system is designed to seamlessly integrate with YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, text blogs, and X. You just connect your social accounts directly in the dashboard, grant the software permission, and it auto-publishes. This gives you omnipresence. Your customized affiliate links are instantly syndicated everywhere. In the short-form video game, speed and volume are quite literally everything, and this allows you to be everywhere at once without doing any extra manual labor. Which brings us to the sheer volume of this automated output, 7 to 10. According to the sources, by utilizing these systems, you could easily be publishing 7 to 10 high-quality, buyer intent review videos every single week, entirely automatically. Just put that time savings into perspective for a second. To manually produce 10 researched, scripted, voiced, and edited videos, that would take a human creator dozens of hours. The software just handles it in the background, which frees you up to focus your actual time on broader business strategy instead of just drowning in tedious execution.
Now we need to pause for a second for Section 3, the reality check. Because look, while this technology is incredibly powerful, it is vital that we approach this as a serious business process. AI is brilliant at execution, for sure, but there are things it simply cannot replace. It cannot replace smart niche selection. You still have to actually point the tool at a profitable industry. It cannot replace the foundational need for audience trust. And critically, you have to manage the compliance guardrails. If you just blindly rely on AI without filtering out scammy or hyperbolic income claims, you're going to ruin your brand. Inside the platform, there's an entire rules and safety dashboard. You have to manually set blacklisted products to ensure the AI doesn't promote untrustworthy vendors, and you have to adjust your claim sensitivity level so your social accounts don't get banned. Human oversight is still very much the steering wheel of this automation engine. And there's a quote from the source material that perfectly encapsulates this reality. AI is a force multiplier, not a magic money button. The AI content space is becoming more and more competitive every single month. The smartest creators understand that this software is used to multiply their efforts and save vast amounts of time and cost. It's that blending of AI speed and tireless automation with actual human judgment and strategy that produces a sustainable digital business capable of generating high-quality leads.
Which brings us to our final section, your next move.
The absolute truth of literally any technological shift is simply this: the biggest winners move first. Right now, there are millions of products online and countless untapped niches desperately needing traffic and exposure. But as these fully automated faceless workflows become mainstream, the market is inevitably going to saturate. The advantage right now heavily favors the early adopters. It favors the people who take action to master AI-assisted content creation today before the competition gets completely brutal. We are currently sitting in a rapidly closing window of opportunity within the creator economy. This digital shift is happening right now, whether we like it or not. Some people are going to ignore it, some will wait far too long, and some are going to build automated, time-saving content assets that drive real leads. It really challenges how you approach your digital business, knowing that those who automate stand to gain the most, while those who refuse to adapt are unfortunately inevitably going to fall behind.
So it really is time to make your decision. If you are ready to completely transform how you generate leads, save massive amounts of time, and automate your entire business process, you need to act right now. Click the link below this explainer to learn more about the Super Affiliate AI system.
And listen, by clicking the link below, you will also secure a massive exclusive bonus package. This includes additional AI-powered content and marketing toolkits designed specifically to help you scale even faster. But you really must act before the offer expires. Click the link below right now, secure your bonus package, and master the system before the market saturates, because the window is closing, leaving you with one final question to think about. When the content game is entirely automated, will you be the one running the machine or the one being replaced by it?